Have you ever wondered if primordial black holes could have had a hand in the formation of stars? Picture this. The universe, just moments after the Big Bang, teeming with very small black holes, referred to as primordial black holes. These black holes could have formed in the early universe with a range of masses, from the size of an asteroid to thousands of solar masses. Consider the intriguing possibility that these primordial black holes played a key role in the formation of stars, getting captured during the birthing process of a star. This could mean that these black holes are not just floating around in the cosmos but could actually be nested inside stars. Primordial black holes are also considered as potential candidates for dark matter and might have acted as seeds for the supermassive black holes that we find in the centers of galaxies today. Let's delve into a fascinating thought experiment. Can a star harbor a black hole at its core? Welcome to the world of Hawking stars, stars that could potentially be hosting a black hole at their core. Now, how does this work? Let's imagine a newly formed star. With a very small probability, this star could capture a black hole as small as an asteroid or as large as a small moon. This black hole would then find itself comfortably nestled within the star's core. This star with a black hole at its heart is what we call a Hawking star, a term coined in honor of the legendary physicist Stephen Hawking, who first proposed this idea back in the 70s. Now, you might think that a black hole would quickly consume the star from the inside. However, the mass at the center of a Hawking star grows only slowly. The inflow of gas that fuels the black hole is hindered by the outward flow of luminosity. An international team of scientists, led by researchers from the Max Planck Institute for Astrophysics, modeled the evolution of these stars and made a surprising discovery. When the black hole's mass is small, the Hawking star is essentially indistinguishable from a normal star in many aspects. So we're left with a thought-provoking question. Could our sun potentially be a Hawking star? The research findings on Hawking stars could potentially revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Let's delve into the implications of these fascinating findings. The primary distinction between a Hawking star and a regular star lies near the core. A black hole's accretion captured during the star's formation induces convection in this area. But here's the kicker. The black hole's presence doesn't significantly alter the star's properties at its surface. So, for all intents and purposes, a Hawking star could look and behave just like any other star we see twinkling in the night sky. But how would we identify these Hawking stars amongst the cosmic crowd? That's where the burgeoning field of astroseismology comes in. This science is akin to an acoustic stethoscope for the stars. It uses the natural internal oscillations of stars to probe their inner structures, similar to how seismic waves are used to study the Earth's interior. If a star hosts a black hole at its core, the induced convection might cause it to ring differently. The unique acoustic signature could potentially unveil the presence of the black hole, hidden at the star's heart. Identifying these Hawking stars could offer invaluable insights into the existence of primordial black holes and their role as dark matter. The research findings also suggest that Hawking stars could have surprisingly long lifespans, resembling normal stars in many aspects. This means that such stars could be more common than we think, quietly holding the secrets of the universe at their cores. And here's a thought to send shivers down your spine. The sun, our very own celestial beacon, might be one of these Hawking stars. It could harbor a black hole as massive as the planet Mercury at its core, without us even realizing it. Just imagine, the sun that we see every day could potentially be a Hawking star with a black hole at its core. This hypothetical scenario challenges our understanding of the universe and keeps us on our toes, reminding us that there's still so much more to explore and discover. The universe is an ever-expanding trove of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Today we delved into the enigmatic concept of Hawking stars, seemingly normal stars that may harbor small black holes at their cores. The implications of this research are vast, potentially shedding light on primordial black holes and their role in the cosmic tapestry. The next time you look up at the sun, remember, it could potentially be a Hawking star with a black hole at its core. Space is full of mysteries, and we're just starting to uncover them. Imagine what we could discover together. Embark on this cosmic journey. Don't miss out on future explorations. Collide with the subscribe button and soar through space with us.